Hello everybody. Happy Christmas. I hope you are having a wonderful day. I hope you and your family are having the best Christmas ever. And whilst you're digesting your dinners and thinking about whether or not you want a mince pie, it's Archie's countdown to Christmas. And this is the last day. So we've got GRINCH-Y today, and like I said the other day, I feel like GRINCH-Y is going to be a bit green. What do you guys think? Oh, we've got candies on the back. We've not had them for a little bit, have we? So let's get in. Right, let's have a see what we've got. Oh, I didn't show you Starry Night. I'll show you any second. Bear with me, guys. I'm that excited about seeing this green. Oh, it's totally a similar colour to the Bucks Fizz last year. This is probably going to be a really lovely highlighter bright green. Bucks Fizz last year, if you guys remember, was a gorgeous, luminous orange colour with the golden glittering, and that one is the green that goes with it by the looks. So let's slide that out of the way and see if we can show you the glitter. The golden glitter in this beautiful, deep indigo blue. And that is exactly a Starry Night. What a fantastic colour. Right, let's throw some water on this green. Look how green that is. Saving the greenish green to last for definite, because we've got the Nordic, which is a bit green. This is a greeny blue. Spruce is a dark green. And this one is green. So, did you guys get any lovely paint for Christmas? Or Archie's paints for Christmas, or any other kind of art equipment that you'd like to tell me about? I'd love to hear. Pop it down below. Let's get this on the page. I can see we've got the glitter moving, so let's see how green this is. It's as green as I thought. That is incredible. Look how green that is. That's definitely GRINCH-Y for sure. That's lovely. And it's covered in glitter as well. Right. Let's see if I can show you this. No. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to go just away, and hopefully this is not too loud. Just have a little cheat with the blow dryer there, you guys. Wow. Check this green out, folks. It's a beautiful spring green. Can I actually get enough light in here? I really don't think I can. Can you see all the glitter that's in that paint? It's a highlighter spring green, and it's covered in what looks like silver and gold glitter. What a Christmas shade. Right, everyone. Look how green that water is. Let's give it a swirl for you. See if it... No, it's not doing it. Never mind. Right, so here are the colours for Archie's countdown to Christmas. We're going through poinsettia, stargazing, Nordic, paper chains, myrrh, ribbon, garland, gravy, sugar cookies, cranberry, spruce, yellow snow, snap, secrets, cinnamon rolls, baby carrots, coal, wrappers, snow angel, lametta, bubbly, sledging, Santa Cutie, Starry Night, and Grinchy. So let's have a little shine on that for you. Which one is your favourite? Which one might you buy? I have to say I am still loving the Nordic, but Sledging, Bubbly and Starry Night are fantastic as well. I think the one I'm probably going to get a lot more use out of is this one and maybe the Snow Angel. But let me know down below which one you love best. Have a fantastic Christmas. Thank you so much for joining me for this advent calendar. I appreciate all of you. Thank you for the comments, the likes and the minutes watched. Have yourself a fantastic Christmas and holiday season. And until next time, find something that makes you smile. And as always, be happy.